What's up, guys? Good morning, and welcome back to another one of RWD Status. Just in case you guys missed that, that is an original old school Nismo horn. I love it. It's freaking sick. Really love it. I love old school Nismo stuff. I'm like a Nissan head. So I decided to put the door back in. I'm actually gonna put everything back. I was actually gonna go with like aluminum door cards, but I'm second guessing that now. Gotta make these decisions whether I'm gonna keep the S13 door panel and finish putting everything in, and do the opposite side, because it's been a while since I've done it. I've been procrastinating, and I was thinking about going with aluminum door cards, but I'm not exactly sure right now. I'm thinking that I like the look of the S14 door cards. So, you know, help me figure out. Comment below. Let me know if we should stay with the if we should go with aluminum S13 door cards, you know, have that race car look, or if we're gonna go with the S14 door panels on both sides. There's a little cool air freshener that my girlfriend got me. It's pretty cool. I don't know. Maybe she's implying that my car stinks. Not bad. Dope. But we do have some boxes and a few different things that we're gonna be unpacking. You know, we got some packages. So we're gonna run inside and see what we got going on. Alright, we're back at it. So today we're gonna be doing a big brake kit for the 240. We're actually not doing it, we're just putting everything together. We got the CTSV front calipers. I already had them painted, you know, that Brembo red. Still waiting on the stock, my ass. Still waiting on the Brembo stickers to come in so I can put them on here. Went with the PBM Z32 remanufactured calipers. Probably going to end up actually waiting on one more set. And then we're going to be doing dual calipers in the rear. I already ordered the Hawk pads. Got some Hawk Street 5.0 pads. I think these are the new ones. I usually run, or I used to run the HPS pads, and I love them. Those are great. No squeaking or squealing or anything along those lines. And speaking of lines, we already got our conversion lines, stainless lines for the front and the rear. Should make everything a plug-and-play installation as far as the rear, other than the fact that I need the dual caliber bracket. And then, as you can see here, we ended up going with the 350Z track rotor. So a lot more surface to work with. It's gonna help with some added stopping power. They are kind of heavy though. They're pretty heavy. Other than that, you know, no real complaints. So this is gonna be a pretty awesome setup on the car. It should complement it pretty well, especially since we're always running between 380 to 425 to the wheels on the 240. So those stock 240 brakes are definitely holding up for now, but it would, you know, it'd be a little safer to have some added stopping power. So that's what we're doing here. And seeing as the body of the 240 and everything is pretty much done, I'm going to be working on the brakes, and then I'm going to be going to the interior and cleaning everything up. So, all right, get this out of the way. Got in here. Yeah. So we got here is the dampener for the RB30. That's what we're going to be using. So pretty happy. It's actually got this from another member offline on Zilvia. Really good condition. He gave me a really good price, so no complaints. Big shout out to him. And we're going to be dropping this off to Mazworks later on this week, as long as we get the rest of the pieces for our dampener set up. I think most of that stuff is here right now. Alright, let's see what we have here. So this is the bottom end gasket for the RB30, or it's the RB26 bottom end gasket kit. I mean, it's like whatever.
See?
The last piece we needed, and well, one of the last pieces we needed. This is the gear crank, the crankshaft gear. So we're just waiting on one more piece for the crank, and then we're literally done with the RB30 setup. So excited! Except we're also waiting on the on the cam gears. Once the adjustable cam gears are here, then the RB30 will be done. All right, we got everything taken care of. Got her loaded up on the dyno. Hopefully we take care of that hesitation. Well, it's not really a hesitation. It's more like the car doesn't hold idle properly, so it needs to have some idle tuning. Anyway, it dies when it's like in neutral or when I'm downshifting, or like if it's really low in first or something like that, it'll just die out. So, excuse me guys. But anyway, yeah, we got everything on. She's looking beautiful. She's about to get some better numbers. Yeah, let's get her tuned up and hopefully we don't have any issues this time. Yeah, she's gonna be tuned up, run properly, have no issues. And I'm trying to get us close to 4. I'm just gonna stop around 4. I know my turbo's having some issues. Well, other than that, everything's running good. Man, I love that rear end. Look at that. Whew. Right, that Spirit Ray bumper is just, it's everything. It's awesome. Take a quick picture right. Ooh, happy.
You said you'd be there for me in times of trouble when I need you when I'm down. And likewise you need friendship. It's from my popular but isolated, things have been changing. You have goals to achieve.